guys, Niki here. Welcome to my art channel, Niki Art. We'll be doing the draw for the 10k giveaway part way through this video. My canvas today is a 10" by 12" hexagon, and as you can see I'm pouring over a failure. I just didn't like the way the swipe colour was looking with the colours that I'd used. I was using the Liquitex Gouache Fluorescent Opera Pink, I think it's called, and it just didn't go with the colours that I'd used. So I thought, well, I'll utilise those colours and just put some more over the top and just see how we go. And I think this time I'm using, I'll have to double check, it was either Atelier Blue Black or Amsterdam Lamp Black. But I'll go through my colours and double check. So if you click on the video title, it will take you to the description box and all the colours are listed there. So I'll see you a bit later for the draw.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If I will share my life with anyone, I really hope that you will be the one. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If you say you wanna leave me, you better make it quick. Believe me, if it's true, I will pack your bags for you. But if you ever change your mind, you know I won't be kind a second time around. Then you're out of my life. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale.
Okay then guys, so now it's time for the draw. I put the video URL in the box. and then I have to filter out duplicate comments just to make the odds fair for everybody, and then find the comments, and now we press start and get the winner, or one of the winners should I say, Jacqueline Kirk. Congratulations, Jacqueline. Under your comment I will put my email address, and then you'll be able to contact me, and then we take it from there. So as you're the first name out, you can either choose the original artwork or the print, whichever you prefer. So congratulations, Jacqueline. I'll make a note of your name, Jacqueline Kirk. Okay, now we choose the second winner. Excuse me. Grateful Creations Fluid Art by Michelle. Congratulations, Michelle. I'm not sure if you watch Michelle's channel. She's got a great channel, so head over there and subscribe to Michelle's channel. Not only just she does, oh, need new teeth, does she produce fantastic work, she's just wonderful and funny and lovely to watch. So congratulations, Michelle. I'll comment under your comment with my email address, and we'll go from there. So congratulations, guys, and thanks everybody for joining in. Thank you for all the lovely comments, and thank you for subscribing and all the likes, and just thank you for all being you. You're all amazing. You just all make me so happy. I've just continually got a smile on my face since I've been doing my YouTube channel. I just can't believe it. You're all just wonderful. So thanks so much, and congratulations to Jacqueline and to Michelle, and thanks to everybody, and we'll get back to the video. Thanks, guys.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Okay, so once again, congratulations to Jacqueline and to Michelle. And thanks everybody for being here. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.